good news today, hindi ka na nag-iisa. Dalawa na kayo, susuong sa panibagong journey ng buhay.
In this whole wide world.
Sobrang tagal na natin, and for someone like me, who's so used to being independent with so many responsibilities, this is really a feat na umabot tayo dito. Lagi akong nagmamadali, tumatakbo. But that was only until you came along.
Listen to me now. I was through. Oh yeah. Counting the stars above. But I've changed my mind. Oh yeah.
For the first time, staying and being still felt right.
Yes, I found love deep in my heart. It's so adorable, must be heaven's work of art. Oh, love. Oh, yeah.
Babe, Ali, sabi mo nga lagpas isang dekada na tayo magkasama. Pinagdugtong talaga yung puso nating dalawa. Kaya napapaisip tayo kung tinadhana nga ba tayong dalawa para sa isa't isa.
Thought I was through. Oh, yeah. Counting the stars above. Oh, yeah. But I've changed my mind.
When you see failures, weaknesses, and differences along the way, and yet you're still there, and you never give up. Hindi ka sumuko, hindi ka bumitaw, hindi ka tumalikod.
I'm in love with you, baby. Oh, I'm in love. So deep in love.
You may now kiss
I'm in love.
your wife.
So deep in love. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It's got to be love, baby, baby, baby. Got.
11 years, it feels like forever, but at the same time, it also feels like we're getting started.
Sa isang normal na relasyon, meron nagmamahal sa'yo at sumusuporta sa'yo. Pero yung natanggap ko sa'yo, ibang-iba.
August afternoon, I can picture you walking with your father at your side. In the summer heat, California speaks softly like she's making up her mind.
Saan masabang sa ngipin yan?
Napakaganda.
Tumating ka sa buhay ko nang hindi ko inaasahan. Walang spark, walang slow-mo na eksena sa pelikula. Our story simply started with a connection, just as every other typical love story does.
Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you.
Sabi nila you need someone to complete you. Pero ikaw, you've shown me that I am already whole. You make me feel strong, capable, and that I can still be my own person with you by my side. You've shown me that love can be deep without losing yourself in it.
Now it's just the truth. Seems our hearts are fused, solid like the gold system.
Mahal kita dahil sa kung sino ka. Kung paano mo pinapahalagaan yung pamilya mo. Gaano ka ka-dedicated sa trabaho. At lalo na kitang minahal dahil sa pagmamahal at suporta na binigay mo sa akin.
Say, baby, isn't it crazy that we are born?
I vow to you na mamahalin kita ng todo. Iintindihin, aalagaan, susuportahan, at sabay tayong tatanda at magbubuo ng marami pang alaala.
Stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you.
So today, I'm not just going to say I love you, because we say that every day. Today, I promise something more meaningful. I promise to stay. No matter what. I'll stay as your best friend, your wife, your family, your co-parent to Sammy and Vanilla. Through everything life throws at us, I'll stay even when things don't feel perfect, because to me, you'll always be worth it.
Oh, but lately I've been counting my stars, 'cause I will spend my whole life loving you.
Sa hirap man o ginhawa, ikaw ang lakas at ang aking ligaya.